A point on the unit circle exists in quadrant 2. Which of the following could be the coordinates of that point? And they want the format cosine theta, sine theta. All right, so let's draw ourselves a unit circle. Always done very poorly whenever I do it. And we care about quadrant 2, which is this guy right here. Now, it's going to be in the form cosine sine, which eliminates u. But what I need to focus on, what they seem that they want us to do, is find out which of these lives in quadrant 2. 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 4, or 4 pi over 3. Well, quadrant 2 lives in between pi over 2 and pi. So which of these is going to live there? Well, 5 pi over 6 is actually that guy right there. So 5 pi over 6 does live in quadrant 2, so A is going to be our answer. 7 pi over 4 is going to live over here, so not U. And cosine, or regular pi, 4 pi over 3 is going to live like right here, so not U. So the answer is going to be A.